Hi everyone. Welcome back to my channel, where we make technology simple and hassle-free. Today, we're tackling a common Excel issue that has frustrated many users, the dreaded hashtag N/A error. If you've seen this error pop up and wondered how to fix it, you're in the right place. Let's dive in. So, what is the hashtag N/A error? It stands for not available. This error happens when Excel can't find the data your formula is looking for. It's pretty common when using lookup functions like VLOOKUP, VLOOKUP, or index match. Now, let's talk about the main culprits behind this error. There are 5 common causes. Lookup value not found. Extra spaces or formatting issues. Inconsistent data types. Missing data. Incorrect formula syntax. Step 1. Double-check your lookup value. Make sure the value you're searching for actually exists in the data table. Step 2. Clean up your data. Use the trim function to remove extra spaces or the value function to correct formatting. Step 3. Use IFERROR. This function helps you handle missing data more gracefully by replacing the hashtag N/A error with a custom message or value. Step 4. Check for exact matches. In VLOOKUP or VLOOKUP, ensure you've set the range_lookup argument to false for precise matches. Step 5. Switch to index match. It's a more robust alternative to VLOOKUP and less prone to errors. Now let's talk about some pro tips to avoid the hashtag N/A error in the first place. Use data validation to standardize entries. Regularly update and clean your data tables. Always test your formulas with different inputs before finalizing your work. And that's it. Fixing the hashtag N/A error isn't as hard as it looks. With these simple steps, you can save yourself a lot of time and frustration. Thank you so much for watching. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more Excel tips and tricks. If you still have questions or need further help, drop them in the comments below. See you in the next video.